evening, it's Brian at Fitzpatrick's Garage, Dublin Road, Kildare. I'm going to show you this really cool Mercedes-Benz CLA 220 AMG line. Brian is my name. If there's any information like this particular car, 086 843 1945, or if you call the garage now in Kildare, just ask for Brian. The garage is a family-run business in operation for almost 70 years with Max all here, there's Honda here, Hyundai, and just in a sec we'll be up in Mercedes filming the car. So there's also garages in Naas and Carlow and Tullamore, and the reason I'm saying that is if you buy a nice car like this from a garage which is in operation for so long as a family-run business, you know that basically there's going to be a backup service because it's here for so long and it's well established, and that's based on customer service. So anyway, this is a car that I rarely get to look at up close. It is, as we're saying, CLA 220 AMG line, so this is a really nice CLA. This car is a car that is a client of my own. He is actually twice. He's actually bought the exact same car again, but he's gone for a different colour this time, but literally identical, so he's very happy with this car. It's really cool. In 2016, this is a 162. When he ordered the car at the time, he didn't realise, but this car came as a slightly facelifted version. So I'm not brilliant on Mercedes, but there is slight differences to the bumpers and very small differences to the wheel style. But the rear of the car, sometimes if we're looking at a 2016 one of these, from my limited knowledge, you'd see square back boxes or exhaust sort of simulations in the rear of them, whereas the updated versions have a more succinct, subtle sort of style on the rear exhaust at the back. Nothing massive, but it overall again just tidies up the lines of the car. I love the rear bumpers on them. I like the way they have either side these designs along here, which make it nice and fat looking at the back. In terms of, CLA is a smaller executive size saloon, so the car, the boot is reasonable for the size of the car, in fairness. So in through here you will have a decent long boot, a little bit of a lip there for access, but in fairness overall I would call that a very reasonable boot for a saloon car. So we have changed locations up to the Mercedes branch here in Kildare. As we were saying, back to the car. So we had a quick look in the boot. Condition of the car is quite nice throughout. It is a one-owner car. There is about 33,000 kilometres in the car, and there's a full service history at the garage here as well. So anyway, let's have a further look around. The car has just landed with us, so we haven't actually had a chance to properly detail and clean the car yet. That will happen in the next few days. So by the time maybe you call about the car, it'll either be just happening or have happened at that stage. I drove the car home last night, and it is such a nice car to drive. There's really good power in this car. I think a little over about 170 odd horsepower, 2149cc. And it has that paddle style gearbox, which is really nice as well, with 7 forward gears. The seats are deadly in a CLA, they're so cool looking. Rear window won't drop down, so I'm assuming the child lock is on, so let's try that again, and it's pillarless. So how cool looking is that? Pillarless window across the back. The seats, the previous owners did not have young family, so I would imagine the rear seats have had very little use. Nice big headrests on the back, and then the seat is a half leather AMG style, half leather with red stitching, and then after that there's velour on the middle part of the seats all the way across. Isofix child seat points in through there as well. So large headrest in the centre if you want to let that up, but probably in that car it's advisable to leave it down just to increase visibility at the back. Front seats are really cool looking, aren't they? So sporty looking. I'm going to let this back window up along through here, so there is obviously a control on the back door as well. Similarly again, we have a pillarless window, again so cool, and really helps I suppose with making the car a very nice looking sporty car. The seats are really nice. Actually, one thing I found last night, great head support behind and great lumbar support down low as well. And then the other thing is it has this kind of Recaro style extension on the seat at the front. This is obviously adjustability for height of the seat. This is height adjuster in through here, and I did not realise this car is heated seats. That's deadly. Didn't realise that actually. That is a complete accident. But I've noticed that in through there. Controls over here just for electrics for windows, doors, and obviously boot lid in through there as well. There is a lovely steering wheel in the car, which obviously is round at the top, but at the bottom it has this nice sporty flat bottom section. I'm just going to drive the car forward out of the sun because at this time of the evening I thought it would be better to have it, but I don't think it actually is. Now, in through the centre we have USB connectors in through there, drinks holders in through here, and then we have a navigation tool for the media centre up through here. So all I'm doing here is just turning this guy in through here. So we're going through things like time, it looks like new mail, phone book, apps overall, general sound, to do with music. Some of the stuff I'm not sure with, but a lot of it seems to do with audio. After that then, general consumption of the car. I like the vehicle kind of set up in through here. We can just navigate into any of these menus. Owner's manual, time, vehicle settings, dynamic select, which is basically what sort of setup do you want to have on the car. Is it economy or is it comfort, and you can manipulate various different parts or do it, as far as I know, in, how would you say, a bespoke way, which is how you choose rather than a pre-programmed version. Drinks holder in through here, cigarette lighter is unused, heating controls in through here, radio and media controls all in through there. And actually this car is standard in the AMG line, so everything is C at the time of order was standard, except for the previous owner also specified reverse camera. That will not be standard. If you're looking at another one, make sure it has the same thing. Paddle steering in through here. Remember, we were talking about the red stitching on the seats. It's also on the steering wheel up through there as well. So up through the gears 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Down through the gears 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Really cool short gears actually, and there's really good acceleration in it. Bluetooth in through here. Controls in through another menu in through here. So eco display, how much fuel you got left, mileage on the car, currently just under 33, speed, average fuel consumption, all that kind of information in through there. Nice and big, nice big clocks in through there. The roof line in the car, one thing I noticed is it's black. What is the significance of that? Well, it just matches the rest of the car really well. It gives it that kind of overall sporty look. So I suppose the way I would look at a car like this is, and again this is probably from a really objective point of view, because normally I'm more expert on the cars that I'm advertising. This one here I'm not, so I'm looking at this merely as a customer would. And one thing I found about the car, it's really well equipped, it's really nice, it's really easy to drive, it's really comfortable. There's loads of power in that engine, as 2149cc, as we were saying, between 170 and 177 brake horsepower. I can't be 100% sure on that. Road tax is 190 euros per year. And one other thing I noticed as well, fuel consumption on that car. I did a 80-kilometre drive to work this morning, and the car set at 4.8 litres per 100 kilometres, which is serious going on a car that's putting out that kind of horsepower in an automatic gearbox. So that would suggest to me that these cars are really easy on fuel, and that's a combination of some driving down through Newton and Plain and onto the M7 as well, so it's got some motorway driving in as well. Parking sensors also standard on the front of the car as well. So anyway, if this car is of interest, please do give me a call, 086 843 1945. We will be putting a warranty on this car. There will be roadside assist on the car as well. And as you're saying, the car is one owner from brand new, and it's got a service history from our garage here as well, which is the main Mercedes dealer in Kildare town. If you want, I'm just going to give you a quick idea of what this car is like acceleration wise, because that is one of the reasons I really like driving that car. There's so much power in it. So just at the moment I've put on this little harness that holds the video together. The cool thing is this is so hard with a manual car, but this one is going to be much easier because it's automatic. So just to give you an idea, if you accelerate, we're currently manual first gear. So first, second, third. Oh my god, it's so much fun. That is deadly. So in that case there I use the paddles to go up and down, but even if we leave it in automatic and just cruise along, nice easy cruise, I'm not flooring the car or anything like that, pulls along real nice. Unfortunately this is a closed off road, so I don't have much space. Sorry again, that road doesn't allow me to get up to much decent speed because it is short, it's a private road. But anyway, if you are looking for a really nice car, and I have to say after driving the car last night, it gives me that nice warm fuzzy feeling, which is you are driving a really nice car. If you want information on the car, Brian is my name, 086 843 1945. As we were saying, the car is one owner, full service history from the garage here, brand new. If you want a nice car that is easy to run, it's got loads of power and looks like a real nice expensive car, and if you look at the price we have this car at, there's a significant saving over a brand new one. I'm really impressed with it, it's really cool, and I hope you are too. 086 843 1945, Fitzpatrick's Garage, Kildare town. Brian is my name, thank you for taking time to watch. And one other thing, sorry, totally forgot, we can do finance on a car like this, and no matter what car you have, we can trade it in. So Any kind of car at all, no problem, we can take it. So again, thank you for taking time to watch.